Marina?
You got what I need. But you say you're just a friend. Yeah, you say you're just a friend.
What are you doing? You weren't supposed to take that off yet.
Are you ready?
Technically, yes.
Technically?
Technically.
What about metaphorically? What about figuratively? Literally?
Let's check out this outfit. Hey.
I wear this on my head.
Yes. Not really. Just take that off. Because it's awful.
There. Real good.
Why? Do you see? You're so lame. I got a message. Are you really wearing that for the video?
I'm real. That's all I can do. I want to get go in the bathroom. No! Girl, you ready?
Yep.
Alright, come here for a second. Back up a little. Alright, that's too much, that's too much. Alright.
Okay, are you gonna like stand there so that I can like look at your face?
You need to just look at the bed. I'm gonna stay over here so my shadow can
Okay. Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
Well, yeah, but it's not that bright, though. It ain't that bright, though.
I ain't that bright though.
You look white. You look white. Look at that face.
Nope. Nope.
I know Christmas is over, but I got this on sale, so come out and look.
Yeah, that was too close.
Okay.
Okay, that's probably enough.